Today we're diving into the xTelliGent one, AI and GxP 2025 Summit, where intelligence meets compliance.
Oh, that sounds fascinating. What's so groundbreaking about this summit?
Well, it's where cutting-edge AI converges with pharmaceutical excellence, bringing together the most influential minds in AI and GxP manufacturing.
So who's on the roster?
They've assembled thought leaders from industry giants like XLM, Roche, Meta, SalesForce, Datadog, and UiPath, all ready to share their expertise.
That's quite the lineup.
Yeah, and the agenda is absolutely transformative, focusing on pioneering technologies.
Like what exactly?
Well, they're diving deep into agentic frameworks, AI automation, and intelligent validation, equipping organizations to harness these powerful tools.
Agentic frameworks? That's new to me.
Exactly. It's like giving AI the ability to act autonomously within set guidelines, enhancing efficiency and compliance.
So it's like setting the rules of the game for AI?
Yes, precisely. And the focus on responsible AI implementation ensures ethical practices, which is so important today.
Absolutely. But do you think emphasizing compliance might hinder innovation?
Actually, I believe compliance-driven innovation can accelerate progress by ensuring advancements are both effective and within regulatory bounds.
That's an interesting take. So being compliant doesn't mean slowing down?
Exactly. It's like building a skyscraper.
Yeah.
You need a solid foundation and adherence to codes to reach new heights.
Makes sense. And with 44% of pharmaceutical organizations anticipating more strategic meetings, this summit seems timely.
Absolutely. It addresses the complex intersection of AI innovation and GxP compliance, providing a roadmap to transform manufacturing operations.
So companies can learn to navigate regulations while leveraging AI?
Exactly. Attendees will gain insights from leaders already implementing these technologies. It's a real game changer.
That's exciting. But do you think the industry is ready for this level of change?
I think so. It's about mastering the agentic landscape that will define the next era of GxP excellence.
Well, it sounds like a must-attend event for anyone in the field.
Definitely. It's more than just a conference, it's your gateway to an AI-powered future in life science manufacturing.
You've convinced me. I wouldn't want to miss out on shaping the future.
Exactly. So, if you're in the industry, this is the place to be to stay ahead of the curve.
Absolutely.